Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with a new website. Like you see with me here, is called the Simple Dollar, and it's a personal finance website that provides readers with advice types and resources for managing their money, reducing debt, and building wealth. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to the Simple Dollar or the simpledollar.com in Google or any other browser. And here are some results that I got after my search. I have the official site and their page on Facebook and on Amazon and Twitter, and Pinterest. It's a similar website, and some other results with other related searches. So we need the first, we need the official site. That means the first link, the Simple Dollar. This one here. Let's click on this one. So once you click on it, you go directly to the home page or the interface of the website, where you can find all the key features for the website and other information that you need to know. And this website here is the personal finance article and grids. The Simple Dollar offers a wide range of articles and grids on various personal finance topics. It covers areas such as budgeting, saving money, investing, insurance, retirement planning, and debt management. The content is written in a clear and accessible manner to help readers understand and apply the information. Now, to start using the Simple Dollar, you need to select here what you need to do with your money, like example the money saving types and frugal living. The website provides practical types and strategies for saving money, cutting expenses, and living a frugal lifestyle. It's offer advice on finding discounts, using coupon, smart shopping, and making cost-effective choices in everyday life. Like example, let's choose a mortgage for my first home, or to refinance my home, or an FHA loan, or an VA loan. Let's choose just this one. And you need to choose how many years that you want to repay it over. You have here 13 days, 20 days, 15 days, or 10 years. Not days, years, excuse me. And you need just to click on show rates. Now for the first step, you need to enter the zip code. Okay, let's enter it. Your zip code, that means your country and city zip code. Then we need to click on get started. For the second step, we need to choose the type of the loan that we are looking for. That is the home purchase or the home finance. Okay, let's just click on this one here. For the third question or step, what type of property will you be refinancing? Single family home, townhome, condominium, or the multifamily home? Okay, let's click on this one. You need to answer with the right question for you. Okay, not the same of me. This is just a personal questions. How are you using the property? Do you want to use it for the primary residence, or the second home, or the investments, or a rental? Okay, let's just do it here. And what is your estimated property value? That means how you can do just a property value. Okay, let's just do the minimum price. Now, what's the remaining balance on the mortgage? Okay, just let it on this one. Now, what is your student's interest rate? It's okay, 6%. Do you have a second mortgage? Okay, if you have one, you need to click on yes. If you don't have, you need to click on no. Now, would you like to borrow additional cash? If you want to do that, you need just to specify how much. If you don't want, you need just to let it on 0. Now, have you made any late mortgage payments in the last year? If that was no, you need to click on no. And if that was yes, you need to choose from these two over here, the 1 late payment or 2 plus late payments. We'll answer with no. What's your estimate credit score? You need to choose the estimate credit score. Okay, between 716 and 779. Now, are you or your spouse an active military member, a reserve member, or veteran? No. What's your employment status? Are you an employed one, a man or a woman? Are you self-employed, retired, not employed, military, or other? Have you filed for bankruptcy or forced closure in the last 4 years? Yes or no? I will just answer with no. And what is the gross annual income for the borough or the borrowers? You need to select how much from this one here. We start to finish. Now we need to click on see rates. Now, like you see me here, the website is present to us the debt management and credit. It offers guidance on managing and reducing debts, including credit card debts, student loans, and mortgages. It provides types on debts, payment strategies, negotiation with creditors, and improving credit scores. And also over here, if you see the investing, this one is the investing and wealth building. The websites cover the basics of investing and provides insights on different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It offers information on building wealth over the long term and understanding investment risks. You will find them all over here, and also the retirement. And we have the personal loan here, or you can also call it the tools and calculators. The Simple Dollar provide interactive tools and calculators to assist readers in financial planning and decision making. These tools can help with budgeting, retirement planning, debt repayment calculation, and other financial calculations. Let's check out this one here. So that's here what I meant. You'll find all the information about the personal calculator over here in this page. It's very easy to use. So this will be the end of our video today. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like that. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites. I hope you still in good health until that time.